Alright, as promised, this is the CT70 by Honda, of course. This is a 72 model. Yeah, missing a bit of chrome, as I discovered, which I'll have to source. I don't think the exhaust is 100% original, but I believe something may go there. But I've put it back together as best as I can with what I've got. Anyway, let's give her a kick and see how we go. So on these bikes there's two different modes. I've already got the ignition on by the looks of it. We've got the first switch here, which is just daytime running, which includes your brake light, but then in the second position you can activate the headlights once it's running. There's our horn, so we've got power, and we'll just give her a kick. There we go. Good old Honda reliability. Now, I still haven't got the timing 100% right.